Hey, going to show you some pictures here of the Croton hydroelectric dam in Muskegon County, Michigan. It's on the Muskegon River. The dam was built in 1924. It has a generating capacity of 18 megawatts, providing renewable energy. The dam plays a crucial role in flood control and water management. Supports recreational activities like fishing and boating in the area. And so the Muskegon River flows out to Lake Michigan, and steelhead and salmon that have been planted in the river return every year, and that's as far upriver as they can go, is up into Nuevo. And so spring and fall, when the salmon and steelhead run, there's a lot of tourism. A lot of people come there and fish, and so anyways, I just want to show you a few pictures of that. Hey, I just wanted to show you some pictures of, we did a little river tour up to Hardy Dam. It's a hydroelectric dam in Nuevo, Michigan. It's on the Muskegon River. It's operated by Consumers Energy, contributes to the local power grid. Dam has a capacity of approximately 1.5 megawatts. It plays a role in flood control and water management. The surrounding area offers recreational opportunities, including in fishing and boating. And actually, when you look at Hardy Dam from downriver, it just looks like a big building built right on the water. And then up above it, up the hill, then you'll see a smaller building. That's actually just across the road that crosses the dam. But yeah, I just wanted to show you some pictures of that. So I hope you enjoy them. Okay, also I wanted to add that the Croton Dam Pond covers 1,390 acres, but the water depth's only about 42 feet. A little bit smaller than Hardy is, as you'll see. Hey, I'm also going to show some pictures of the Hardy Dam Pond. Just a little bit about it. It has surface area of 4,000 acres. The maximum depth up right by the dam would be about 105 feet deep. And anyways, you can find a lot more information on it, but I just wanted to show you a few pictures of that also. Hey, I hope you enjoyed these pictures. A little bit of information I gave you about Croton and Hardy Dam up in Nuevo, Michigan. And if you like these, I appreciate it if you give me if you'd subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, if you'd share, I'd appreciate that. Anyways, have a great day, okay? Thank you.